What's good, boss chicks? Welcome back to another one. How you guys doing? I hope everybody is being safe and having fun despite of. So today we're going to be mixing some custom glow-in-the-dark acrylic. I've already mixed up the pink and the yellow as I'm showing you here on my swatch sticks. So I'm going to mix 4 more colors. Here is some glow-in-the-dark pigment that I purchased from Amazon. As always, links will be in the description box below to all of the products that I purchased. Here are some instructions on how to make it glow a little bit better. And I'm going to go ahead and pop this baby open. All right. So, in this box is the 12 colors, and it comes with this little keychain LED light. But here is the light that I use in all of my videos. But look at this one. It just has like one little button. I'm not sure if you can replace the battery. I haven't played with it any further, so I'm not sure what you can do. But this is my absolute favorite. I use this in all of my videos where I do my dupes, or if I need to flash cure some stones in place, or yeah, because you know your clients be moving and stuff, so you have to have something where you can flash cure those super fast. This is my absolute favorite. I love using this. I believe it's like 12 LEDs on this, but I'm not sure. Don't quote me on that. I will leave the link to this product in the description box below, and I'm just showing you another close-up of the one that comes with the kit. I'm going to be swatching out a few of these on camera. Here's that pink, the yellow. All of these colors are very vibrant. You don't need a whole lot of acrylic powder. I like that it has the lines on the side. It has like a 10 at the top, and I'm assuming that midway line is like half. So here's the red. All of the colors are very vibrant. Look at this purple, and you can see right through it to the bottom. This is really pretty. This is interesting. This sky blue, it looks like it's cream, but it says sky blue, so my guess is that it goes on like a cream color and then it glows blue. But we're going to definitely save some coins and mix our own. Here, look at that green. That green is so pretty. It reminds me of candy apple. It's so pretty. My apologies that those were out of focus. I have been using a new camera. I'm using a DSLR now instead of using my phone to film. So I'm just showing you a few more of these pretty colors. Look at this. There's yellow, green. So you have like your standard colors in here, and then you have like a two-tone. I haven't mixed up the two-tone yet. If you guys want to see me mix those two tones, go ahead and drop a comment and I will get those done. Here are the jars that I purchased from Amazon. I did them in an unboxing video. I will leave that in the cards and in the description box below so you can check that out. We're going to be mixing 3 teaspoons of white and 1 teaspoon of clear. Whatever clear you have on hand, whatever white you have on hand should work. I'm using Mia's Secret, and here's my teaspoon that I use for all of my acrylic. Be sure not to put your spoon back in the kitchen. We don't want any mistakes. Here's that Mia's Secret acrylic powder. This is the French color, and I showed you that clear. So I'm going to go ahead and mix this up, and I mix all of the colors like this. Keep in mind that when you are mixing these colors, what you want to do is, it's like when you cook. You can't take out, but you can add to. Some of the colors I did notice I need to pour out a little bit more pigment down to that half line. All of them are not like that though, so it's per color. So be sure to give this a good shake. I did not mix it up in my mortar and pestle set because the powders were fine enough not to mix them with the mortar and pestle. A good shake would do. And then you're going to see me swatch each color. I'm going to be applying these beads a little bit wet so that they blend a little bit better. With adding pigment powder to acrylic, it will kind of make it chalky like, you know what I mean? So it won't be as smooth as it would if you don't be sure that you actually mix them up. So you want to be sure that you give those a good shake and apply them just a little bit wetter than you would your standard bead when you were mixing. So I'm going to go ahead and let you guys watch this video and I'll pop back in a few.
On my necessities, yeah. Chamber for so boy, don't need no right swag, so tight with that money stacking high. Ain't nobody got it till you just look up in the sky. Yeah, let's be real, these niggas ain't real. Walk around, holla nigga, still ain't got stuck to my swag surreal. Swallow my lyrics, pain pill, ain't got a stunt to take a girl. I take a girl and rock her well. After that, give her back. She walk around hollering, she relax. Yeah, I stay kick back with my feet up. I'm deep up in the game, boy, like a glass cut. Yeah, CTM, we the next winner. Goes hard, doing what I wanna, no sinner. We just try to stack racks, but they hate strange game. Strange game, but we gon' hustle stack.
Here I am showing you the swatch and how it looks. Here is one compared to the one that I did earlier, and as you can see, it was not mixed in very well. That's why I said you want to go ahead and make sure to shake the container. It's not going to take a long time to do so. You don't have to shake very vigorously, but be sure to get those powders mixed in. If not, it's going to be kind of patchy. You'll be able to see that white acrylic powder that you added in. So here's that interesting sky blue that looks like an off-white or a cream color. So I'm just going to go ahead and get this mixed in. Again, that's 3 teaspoons of white acrylic powder and 1 teaspoon of clear.
But they hate strange game. Strange game. But we gon' hustle stack hard. Why they hate strange game? Strange game. And we don't see what's the problem, cause we just stacking our change. Our change. But we gon' hustle stack hard. Why they hate strange game? Strange game. Believe money's the occupation. You know it. Now I don't mess with dudes cause they do too much masturbating. So step your game up and get on you some They tryna jock my swag, I'm so ex-bro. You know all I do is light it up. Ain't one person that don't know. If I keep running with this rap stuff, I'ma be the best at how to flow. Yes, I am the best because I always give a show. Got people steady looking cause I'm fresh from head to toe. I put my foot in the dough. You already know, now it's a party at the top and everybody get bro. All these chicks geeked up, it's only one I'm on. Going in like a king, put me up on the throne, let's get it. We just try to stack racks, but they hate strange game. Strange game, but we gon' hustle stack hard. Why they hate strange game? Strange game, and we don't see what's the problem, cause we just stacking our change. Our change, but we gon' hustle stack hard. Why they hate strange game? Strange game.
I was interested to see what color this red was going to turn into when it glowed. I switched over to my alpha brush in a size 10. I was using a Pana size 8 and I just got tired of using the little ass brush and I wanted to cover more of the swatch stick and did not want to keep swatching all day. But shout out to my daughter Tiny for editing down this video for me. She also was featured in my Joy Tea video. Check the cards for that video. She did the voiceover for that. So shout out to her. She included something special at the end of this video for you guys. So stay tuned to the very end. There is a picture of all of the colors And then there's a like a side by side of all the colors when they glow in the dark, and as well as that special edition that she added to the end of this video.
I'm a two-timer, walking in the place, girl going insane, got the crowd jumping like a playoff game. Yeah, I'm blazing like a heat ring. I'm making money, money Sacramento Kings. Yeah, driving, turn the corner swerving. I'm in the Cavalier, call me Kyrie. All I care about is money and my future and my girl. You can say what you want, but I'ma twist it like a swirl. And you know I'm out here and I'm only getting old. But while I'm out here, man, I gotta get cold. I'm so young, get I'm so young. I said I'm so young, get I'm so young. Takes one chance to get like me. Take one chance to get like me. I'm so high, you see my feet. The one who wanna be like me. That's right, I'm so young, and I'm so young. Yeah, you heard I left, but guess what? Yeah, now I'm back. Superstar mode, have them ducking like Affleck. Yeah, my team on what you thought, take some steps back. J Murphy and DZ outro on the CTM track. Yeah, man, no, call me Blake Griffin. You can catch me on the highway, call that lane switching.
Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Be sure to turn on those post notifications so that you don't miss out on every time I upload a video. And as always, stay safe, stay healthy, and be blessed. Until next time.
I've been out here, had my 15 of fame. Pull up in that black mobile like I'm Bruce Wayne. I got the hum, the same color, call it playing game. All I care about is money and my future and my girl. You can say what you want, but I'ma twist it like a swirl. And you know I'm out here and I'm only getting old. But while I'm out here, man, I gotta get cold. I'm so young, and I'm so young. I said I'm so young, and I'm so young. Takes one chance to get like me. Take one chance to get like me. I'm so high, you see my feet. The one who wanna be like me. That's right, I'm so young, and I'm so young.